Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix when your aspect ratio on your Samsung Smart TV is grayed out and you cannot adjust the screen size. Well, if I go to menu right now, and I go to picture, and then I go on down, and I try going to screen adjustments right here, I can go to picture size, but I see 16:9, fit to screen, 4:3, screen fit, smart view 1 and 2, etc. If some of these are actually grayed out, what we want to do is close down any application on our TV. And if we are in the media gallery or like the smart hub right here, and I go to the same menu, nothing will happen. So you can see it's completely grayed out now. I can't even select it. So you're going to want to go to a different source 1, 2, or 3, where my Fire Stick is. Then if we go to the TV source, we can even press the aspect ratio button on our remote. So this will be the picture size button, pick size, right here on the bottom, above the play button. Now I can go to the different picture sizes right here. So if it's grayed out, just change your source to TV or a different input. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.